So you're starting out on TikTok and you want to grow your business or you want to grow your content, but you have no idea where to start. Or maybe you've had a little bit of experience starting to create content on TikTok, but you don't really see the results that you thought that you would get by joining the app. Well, I'm very excited to tell you that you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Carson Scooter, and I'm a short form video strategist and coach, and I am so excited to help you on this journey. We've helped our clients go viral multiple times, bring in thousands of leads, monetize their accounts, grow their following, and even become the biggest traffic driving source that our clients are currently using. It's become our mission to help anyone who needs help growing their TikTok accounts or their short form video accounts to be able to do so successfully so that they can reach their goals. And so we're here to share with you the tips on how to do that. If this is you, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we are going to share tons of gold today and in the future. So today I'm going to share with you 5 ways that you can become successful even if you were just starting up on TikTok. So the very first way that I would recommend is just getting familiar with the app. What does this look like? This honestly just looks like you downloading the app on your phone, creating an account, and just getting familiar with the style and kinds of videos that are on TikTok. What I would do is I would take a couple of days or even up to a week and just spend a bit of time each day on the app, scrolling through the videos, watching them through, seeing how people are doing things, seeing what people are doing, watching how they film, watching their text on screen, seeing if they're using trending sounds, and just even finding some people in your industry that you're interested in and just watching some of their content. The thing about TikTok is that it's a copycat app. So what does this mean? This means that a lot of the content that happens on here or a lot of the trends are just people modeling other people's content or modeling someone else's strategy that already is proven to work, which leads us into the second point. Start favoriting the style of videos or the videos that you see that you could easily replicate. So as you're scrolling through your feed, if you see a video and it gives you inspiration, and you're like, I could definitely create something like this, there's a little ribbon button beside the video on the right-hand side of the screen. Hit that button and save it to your favorites. Now, what this is going to do for you is it's going to build you a library of content that you could easily get inspiration from and create content from. Once you've done that, this transitions us into step 3. And step 3 is all about the research phase. So the very first thing that I would research is all of those videos that you've put in your library. Look at the first 3 to 5 seconds of their video. Are they using hooks? And hooks are just the beginning segments of words that they say or the text on screen that acts as an attention grabbing hook. So note what kind of hooks they're using. Note what kind of sounds they're using. Note if they're using B-roll, if they're talking to the camera, maybe they're putting on a skit. Know what kind of hashtags they're using. Are they using call to actions? Make a list of all of the things that you study, and this will help you not only get better at the app, but also have an easy resource to consistently pull content from. The second way that you can research is actually using the discovery bar inside of the app. So what you do is you go to the discovery bar and you type in your industry, you type in your target audience, you type in any keywords that are relevant to what you do and who you want to help. Turn your filter on for the past month or the past 6 months and look at the videos with the highest amount of views and study those. So by doing all of this research and studying, it may take a lot of time. It may be a little bit time consuming, but by doing this at the beginning, you are setting yourself up for success in the long run. Now, this leads us into the 4th step. Create TikTok videos. And it may seem intimidating. And even if you don't understand everything that you should be doing with your TikTok video, I just want you to hit record and get that first video out. Even if that first video is you just telling your story. And now that you've done that, you can start implementing some of these strategies one at a time even. We even recommend to our clients posting about 100 videos first before getting too overwhelmed that nothing is happening. 100 videos seems like a lot of content, but that gives you so much data to pull from. Most of the time, your content will start to to take off before 100 videos if you're using some form of strategy. But if not, 100 videos is a ton of content to pull data from. So moral of the story, create content, serve your audience, serve your community, provide value and education. And even if your strategy isn't quite coming together, that is going to be the basis of an incredible TikTok account. Below in the description, I've also dropped a posting checklist for you. It's called the Ultimate TikTok Guide. And inside of this guide, there is going to be 97 free hooks that you can use so you know what to put at the beginning of your videos to catch their attention. There's also a training on how to optimize your profile. So when people land on your page, they know why they should be there and why they should stick around. And the third thing in there is a posting checklist. So even if you don't have any strategy, follow the first few steps of this posting checklist, and that will definitely help you to have success when you are posting your TikTok videos. Now, the next step is audit and optimize your content. So after you've been posting your content for a while, what we would do now to even increase your results even more is optimize your content. So there's a few different ways that you can do this. Is one, you can study your own content, and we have trainings on our TikTok page on how you can do that. Another offer is, so for a really reasonable price, what we can do is we can go through your account, we look at all of your data, your stats, the videos that you created, and we compile a little strategy for you so that you can keep creating content, but now you can adjust it and optimize it so that you're able to grow quicker and reach even more people that you can serve. So once again, make sure to grab onto those free resources so that you can start creating incredible content with free hooks, a training on how to optimize your profile, and a posting checklist so that you can get started with success in the description below. And before we go, make sure that you hit that subscribe button because we'd love to offer you more of our advice to help you successfully grow your TikTok account.